The game Bodhi is visualized in a prehistoric world. The project is produced by INAC and we have assigned a 7-member team comprises of 2D and 3D artists, animators and developers. In Bodhi, we have explored the Unreal Engine to the maximum and brought the game to reality.
Creating a game from the scratch itself is a great pleasure. And Bodhi is our own production. So the team is extremely happy to apply their creativity without any bias.
The concept was developed considering the Indian Kerala traditional backdrop in place, which we are familiar through folklore stories and what we have heard and seen from our elders.
Pre-production was interesting with lots of scribblings, discussions, matte paintings and all. We had to make sure that the basic color tone we use need to be more natural and more Indian. So we chose the blue-green tone so that it matches the concept of our plot.
It's a thrill to work in Bodhi, where at every point you have a traditional and cultural touch.
Fighting actions of Bodhi was inspired from the South Indian martial arts form, Kalari. To study the action sequence, we spent some time at the Kalari centers. For the non-playing characters, even though they are concepts, we want their movements to resemble real-life characters. So we went through many references and came up with a new style.
As a lead programmer, I have to be precise at how it looks. The feel matters the most. So moving from Unity to Unreal, it was challenging at first. But when we understood the power of Unreal, things went very easy.
Our team is a mix of talented, creative artists and programs. The entire team is working together for making the game true.
Working with blueprints, the visual scripting technique, things are really simplified even though they look complicated. Bodhi is actually an action-adventure game that requires the animation and effects to be played at a precise time.
In modeling, we basically build all the characters, properties and the environments. We receive two-dimensional drawings from the concept artists and decide the style we are going to follow, and then make the three-dimensional objects based on those concepts.
We use Blender as the main tool for modeling. Everything we need is there in Blender.
We are not saying it is a great game, which the industry had ever, but definitely we can say that it will be a thrilling and adventurous game.